Hi.
Hello, my dear. Welcome.
I'm so happy to see you.
I'm happy too. You look taller.
Really? Maybe a little.
Yes, taller and older. Time moves fast.
I missed you.
I missed you more. The house feels brighter now.
The trip was long. The bus was very slow.
Long trips are tiring. Did you sleep?
No, not really. The bus was noisy.
That is city travel. Always noise.
Yes, many cars, many people.
Here it is different. Quiet.
I like the quiet. It feels nice.
Quiet is good for the heart.
Your house looks the same inside.
Yes, this house is old but strong.
I love the big wooden furniture.
These chairs and tables are very old. Every year I repair them.
They look beautiful.
Thank you. Many people sat here, family and friends.
That's nice.
Life is about people, not things.
I like that. People, not things.
Exactly. Things break. People stay in the heart.
That sounds wise.
Wisdom is simple. You learn it with time.
I want to learn from you.
And I want to share with you.
Do you sit here alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends.
Do you get lonely?
No, I have the garden, the animals, and the stars.
That sounds peaceful.
Peace is a gift. Not many people see it.
In the city, there is no peace. Too much noise.
Yes, the city runs fast. The village walks slow.
I like slow.
Slow is good. You see more when you walk slow.
Do you always live here?
Yes, I was born here. I grew here.
So this is your home forever?
Yes, my roots are here.
Roots? Like a tree?
Yes, exactly. People are like trees. They need roots.
I like that. Roots keep us strong.
You are growing your roots too.
Maybe in the city?
Yes, roots can be anywhere, but never forget family.
I won't forget.
Good girl.
I like the big window. The sun shines in.
Yes, the light comes every morning.
It feels warm.
The sun gives light and life. We must be like the sun.
How?
Give light, give warmth.
That is a nice thought.
Remember it. Small light can change the dark.
You always have good lessons.
Lessons are everywhere, even in chairs, windows, and the sun.
I like listening to you.
And I like talking with you. You make me young again.
Really?
Yes, your energy is strong.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your visit makes me happy.
Wow, your garden is big.
Yes, it is my favorite place.
So many flowers here.
Flowers make the house happy.
I like the red roses.
Roses are strong but soft.
Soft? They have thorns.
Yes, soft and strong together, like life.
I see. Life has beauty and pain.
Exactly. You learn fast.
What about those yellow flowers?
They are sunflowers. They follow the sun.
That's beautiful.
Yes, we must also follow the light in life.
I like that idea.
Come, look at the trees.
They are tall.
These trees are older than me.
Older than you? That's amazing.
Yes, they saw many seasons.
Do you take care of them?
I give them water, but they stand strong by themselves.
Trees don't move, right?
No, but they grow. Slow but sure.
Slow but sure. That's nice.
Good things take time. Remember that.
I will remember.
Look at the birds on that branch.
Oh, so cute.
Birds are free. They fly where they want.
I wish I could fly.
Your dreams are your wings.
Really?
Yes, dreams make you fly higher in life.
That sounds wise.
It is true, but you must work hard too.
So dreams and work go together.
Exactly. One without the other is nothing.
I will work hard for my dreams.
Good girl. That is the way.
Do you spend a lot of time here?
Yes, every morning I walk here.
Do you talk to the plants?
Sometimes plants listen in silence.
That's funny.
Silence is also an answer.
I never thought about that.
Many people don't, but silence teaches patience.
Patience. That's hard.
Yes, but patience grows like a tree, slow but strong.
I like that image.
Good. Keep it in your mind,
Your garden feels peaceful.
because it is full of life.
I feel calm here.
Calm is a treasure. Protect it.
I want to visit here every day.
You are always welcome.
Wow, the sky is so beautiful.
Yes, every evening the sky paints a new picture.
It looks like fire and gold.
Nature is the best artist.
I want to take a photo.
Photos are good, but eyes are better.
True, but my friends will not believe this view.
Then take the photo, but keep the memory here.
Okay. Do you sit here every evening?
Almost every evening. I like to see the day say goodbye.
That sounds poetic.
Maybe I am a secret poet.
You? A poet?
Why not? I once wrote a poem
Really? What was it about?
about a cow.
A cow? That's not very romantic.
But it was a beautiful cow.
What did the poem say?
Big brown eyes, soft and wise.
That's funny.
Don't laugh. The cow was very wise.
Okay. I believe you.
One day I will write a poem for you.
Please, not about a cow.
Maybe about a goat then.
Grandpa! This moment feels special.
Yes, simple moments are the best.
I don't want the day to end.
Every end is also a beginning.
Like tomorrow morning?
Exactly. The sun will rise again.
I'm glad I came today.
I'm glad too. You gave me laughter and joy.
And you gave me peace and cow poetry.
Don't forget the wisdom.
I won't forget.
Good. Now let's watch the last light together.